In today's tutorial, we're going to be going over how to use the RTP in RPG Maker MZ to build a castle. So let's jump straight into that. And if you love RPG Maker tips, tricks, tutorials, and just general discussion about RPG Maker, then scroll down and hit subscribe and the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Firstly, we're just going to grab the grass tool and fill the entire map with it. Then we're going to go down here to this little castle looking tile and grab the wall. We're going to zoom right in. Go right to the bottom of the map, and we're just going to make this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 across. Make sure that's center. And we're going to go up 1, 2, 3. So that's going to be 4 high. Now what I'm going to do just before we get into it is double click. We'll make an event, and this event's going to be the door. So what we want to do is go down to gate. We're just going to have this open looking door here. Swap back over to the mapping tab, and now we're just going to go down one like this, and then up again over here. Next we're going to select a ground tile. I'm just going to use this brick. We're going to do another 1, 2, 3, 4 up like that. Then we're going to grab the castle tile, the castle roof. If we scroll out, that's what it looks like so far. Then what we're going to do is get this brick, run it along like this, grab this castle tile again, run it down here. Then we're going to add some stairs. So we'll add some stairs here and some stairs here. After that, we're going to re-grab this wall tile, and from the very center, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Gonna make this go up 4, make it just a teeny bit wider. We can probably reduce the size of this roof a bit. Then we want to right click one of these and shift click over here. Same with the middle, want to right click, shift click. Bring that all the way along. And again, right click, shift click. So I've got the starting semblance of what looks like a castle. Next we're going to go in and put some towers in. Now I am a fan of putting towers everywhere. Everywhere, towers. Towers. Everywhere. Everywhere, towers. So I'm going to put a tower in. We'll start it just down here. Then we're going to make this one go up. So just up like that. And then we're going to grab this pointy part of the roof. And we're going to do the same thing for the other side. Then we have some towers. Now we want to grab this same tower here. Just put it over on the side here. Just going to move this up one. Then we'll copy that, paste it over the other side. Then we're going to place a smaller tower in front of it, diagonally like that. Going to grab half of this tower and put it on the side over here, and we're just going to repeat that on the other side. And already you can see it's looking pretty good. Then what we're going to do is copy this tower, I'm going to put it up here, and we're going to go down along the tower to this one here, so it goes on top of the tower like that. We're just going to do the same thing to the other side. We'll grab another half a tower, put that along the side here, and the same with the other side. Then on top of the castle, we're just going to put a tower here, and a tower here. Do the same on the other side. And for these back ones, we're just going to put some points on it. And there you can see we've got this basic looking structure of a castle. Next what I'm going to do is put a door here and copy and paste this gate event. So now if we load into game, you can see we've got this basic outline for the castle. And now what we're going to do is put in some windows. So I like to grab this tile here. Now we've added the windows to the castle. To add a few extra details, we're just going to bump on over to the C tab. We're going to place these banners all around the place. Now we'll just fill up the surrounding area with some forest. There we go. Now as you can see that we've surrounded it with a forest, we've created ourselves a nice little castle. One last thing you can do is nothing says castle like lots of people bustling about, so we'll just add some NPCs. There we have it, we've added a bunch of NPCs roaming around our map. Before we jump into the game, I'll get you to scroll down and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video, and if you're liking this content, hit the like button as well. One of the most important things to remember when building castles is towers. Lots and lots of towers make your castles look more regal. One last thing we need to do is select an appropriate theme. There we go. Now we have our castle. One thing you can do with castle maps is you can do this really cool thing with an auto event, so we'll do that now. Going to go auto run, then we're going to go scroll screen, scroll map, then we're going to move up. It's going to be, we'll move, say, 20 tiles up. Wait for completion, then we're going to move 20 tiles down. And just right in the middle of it, we're just going to wait for 60 frames. We'll add some text. Wow, this castle's huge. And we'll test it out. Wow, this castle's huge. The screen scrolls up to give you a big view of the castle. And then scrolls all the way back down. I hope you guys have enjoyed this mapping tutorial using the RPG Maker MZ RTP. That is one big mouthful of a word sentence thing. I'll see you guys in the next video.